Hello, I'm Tom Fafinski, an attorney with Virtus Law. The video is about an overview of a recent change in the law regarding inherited IRAs. This change should make anybody with an IRA want to consider an IRA trust. An IRA becomes inherited when the owner passes away and it is transferred to the beneficiary. And generally speaking, the beneficiary has one of two options. One, they can elect to distribute all of the funds within 5 years, paying the required taxes, or two, they can elect to receive minimum distributions over a longer period based upon their life expectancy, and they pay taxes on each distribution. In June of 2014, the Supreme Court decided the case of Clark versus Romecker. In this case, the court determined that the inherited IRAs do not meet the retirement funds bankruptcy exemption under Section 522B3C of the Bankruptcy Code. The exemption at issue allows debtors to protect their retirement funds if the funds are exempt from taxation under specific provisions of the Internal Revenue Code. To apply the exemption, the Supreme Court construed the plain meaning of the phrase retirement funds to mean sums of money set aside for the day an individual stops working. And the Supreme Court decided that inherited IRAs do not qualify as retirement funds based on three characteristics. First, the holder of the inherited IRA never makes contributions to the IRA. Second, the holder of the inherited IRA is required to withdraw funds from the account regardless of their proximity to retirement. And finally, the holder of the inherited IRA has the ability to withdraw the full amount of the fund at any time for any purpose without paying a penalty. These characteristics differentiate the inherited IRA from a Roth or a traditional IRA to such a degree that the Supreme Court determined that it no longer qualifies as retirement funds. One way to avoid losing an inherited IRA to a bankruptcy is to use a trust that holds the IRA. Talking with a qualified attorney can help you take the steps that are necessary to protect your IRAs for your beneficiaries. Thank you.